Promise ba? Yes! All right. I'm so glad to hear that. Because today, we live in a world where truth is often under attack. And I want to ask you if you will keep showing up for your dreams. Will you?
Yes!
Will you keep showing up for your truth?
Yes!
Great. Because in this world, nariyan ang fake news, disinformation, and online manipulation. And so, more than ever, we need young people, you, to be wise, discerning, and brave. Ask the hard questions. Seek the truth, even when it's inconvenient. And speak for truth, even when it's unpopular. In the Senate, truth is what we fight for every day. Dahil sa katotohanan, naipasara natin ang mga pogo sa Pilipinas. Naipakulong ang pekeng Pilipinong si Guo Huaping. Maraming salamat. Ginawa po nating lahat yon ng sama-sama. Nananagot ngayon ang nagpakilalang anak ng Diyos na si Apollo Quiboloy. Maraming salamat. Kayo rin yan. At isa-isa na ring sinisingil ng panahon ang dumaraming opisyal ng gobyerno na inabuso ang ating mga batas. Salamat. We've also been working on reforms that we hope will address the most pressing concerns of the youth, not just as future leaders, but as young people living in the now. One of them is the amendments to the Safe Spaces Act, or Bawal Bastos Law, mentioned by President Ocho Torrena. It includes stronger protections against gender-based harassment, especially for young students like you. We're also pushing for the Magna Carta of Young Farmers, which aims to strengthen the rights and provide real benefits to the next generation of agricultural workers. Mga anak, we push these reforms because we believe in you. You are not just the future, you are the now. We already see you. Your energy, your ideas, your courage, they matter now. Rest and prioritize your mental health when you must. Pero kapag tinawag kayo ng ating bayan, nawa ay tumindig kayo. So, be brave. Celebrate this day. Deserve nyo naman eh. But tomorrow, I hope you rise with new beginnings in your heart and fire in your soul. Your brilliance won't come just from academic awards, but from living with purpose. So,